Good day, folks. Welcome to this detailed tutorial on how to use Mangools SEO tools to enhance your website's performance. By the end of this video, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of how to leverage Mangools to improve your SEO strategy effectively and efficiently. We'll cover the main tools within Mangools, explain their functionalities, and demonstrate how to use them to your advantage. First, let's address why using an SEO tool like Mangools is beneficial. There are numerous SEO software options available, such as SEMrush, Ahrefs, and others. However, Mangools stands out for being more cost-effective while still providing all the necessary features to optimize your website. This can be particularly advantageous if you're just starting with SEO or if you're working within a budget. You can sign up for the free account using the link in the description. There are 4 main reasons to use SEO software: keyword research, rank tracking, competitor research, and finding backlinks. Keyword research helps you identify the terms people are searching for, ensuring your content aligns with those searches. Rank tracking allows you to monitor your website's performance for specific keywords over time. Competitor research lets you analyze what your competitors are doing well so you can adjust your strategy accordingly. Finally, finding backlinks helps you understand your site's link profile and identify opportunities for improvement. Now, let's dive into the tools offered by Mangools. Mangools provides 5 main tools: KWFinder, SERP Checker, SERP Watcher, Link Miner, and Site Profiler. We'll start with KWFinder, which is essential for keyword research. To begin, log into Mangools and select KWFinder. Here, you can enter a keyword related to your business. For example, if you run a tire shop, you might enter tires. KWFinder will display a list of related keywords along with their search volumes, keyword difficulty scores, and trends. When you enter tires, KWFinder shows the search volume, which tells you how many people are searching for that keyword each month. It also displays the keyword difficulty, indicating how hard it is to rank for that keyword. This information is crucial for deciding which keywords to target in your content. KWFinder also suggests related keywords that you might not have considered. For instance, it might show cheap tires or best tire brands, which could be valuable additions to your keyword strategy. Next, we move to SERP Watcher. This tool is used for rank tracking. It allows you to monitor your website's ranking for specific keywords over time. To use SERP Watcher, simply enter the keywords you want to track along with your website URL. SERP Watcher provides a detailed dashboard showing your rankings, how they've changed, and other important metrics like search volume and estimated visits. This tool is incredibly useful for understanding the effectiveness of your SEO efforts and identifying areas for improvement. The third tool, SERP Checker, provides a snapshot of the current search engine results page for a given keyword. It shows you the top ranking pages and provides insights into why they are ranking well. You can see metrics like domain authority, page authority, and the number of backlinks for each ranking page. While we don't use SERP Checker as frequently, it can be valuable for analyzing the competitive landscape for high-priority keywords. Link Miner is another powerful tool within Mangools. It focuses on backlink analysis. Backlinks are links from other websites pointing to your site, and they are a significant factor in SEO. With Link Miner, you can enter a competitor's URL and see all the backlinks pointing to their site. This allows you to understand their link building strategy and identify potential opportunities for your site. For example, if a competitor has backlinks from popular industry blogs, you might consider reaching out to those blogs for a backlink as well. Finally, we have Site Profiler, which provides a comprehensive overview of any website's SEO metrics. It includes information like domain authority, page authority, and other proprietary metrics developed by SEO companies. While we don't use Site Profiler as frequently, it can be useful for getting a quick snapshot of a website's overall SEO health. One feature that deserves special mention is the Mangools SEO extension. This Chrome extension provides many of the functionalities of Mangools directly within your browser. After installing the extension, you can visit any website and click on the Mangools icon to get instant SEO insights. The extension shows the site's on-page SEO elements, backlinks, and other critical metrics. This is incredibly convenient for quick, on-the-go SEO checks. Let's go through an example using the SEO extension. Suppose we are analyzing the Tireworks website. We install the Mangools SEO extension, navigate to the Tireworks homepage, and click on the extension icon. The extension displays the site's title tags, meta descriptions, heading structure, and keyword usage. It also shows the backlinks pointing to the site and provides an overall SEO score. This information is invaluable for identifying quick wins and areas for improvement. To summarize, Mangools offers a comprehensive suite of SEO tools that are both powerful and user-friendly. KWFinder is excellent for keyword research, helping you identify the best keywords to target. SERP Watcher allows you to track your rankings and monitor your progress over time. SERP Checker provides insights into the current SERP landscape, helping you understand the competition. Link Miner helps you analyze backlinks and develop a robust link-building strategy. Site Profiler gives you a quick overview of any website's SEO metrics. And the SEO extension brings many of these functionalities directly to your browser. Using Mangools, you can effectively manage your SEO efforts, improve your website's visibility, and ultimately drive more traffic to your site. Whether you're a small business owner, a marketer, or an SEO professional, Mangools provides all the tools you need to succeed at a fraction of the cost of other SEO software. Now, let's talk about the different pricing plans Mangools has to offer. Starting with the entry plan, this is Mangools' most affordable option, starting at $26 per month. It's ideal for individuals or small businesses who are just starting with SEO and want to get a feel for how Mangools can help them. The entry plan includes access to all 5 Mangools tools. With this plan, you can perform up to 25 keyword lookups per 24 hours and track up to 50 keywords daily. You can also analyze up to 25,000 backlink rows monthly and perform 10 site lookups per 24 hours. This plan is perfect if you're managing a small website or just beginning to explore SEO. Next is the basic plan, starting at $44 per month. This plan is designed for more active users who need additional limits to support their SEO efforts. With the basic plan, you can perform up to 20 keyword lookups per 24 hours and track up to 200 keywords. You can analyze up to 100,000 backlink rows monthly and perform 20 site lookups per 24 hours. This plan is well suited for freelancers or small agencies managing multiple websites or more extensive SEO campaigns. The increased limits allow you to conduct more comprehensive research and analysis, helping you optimize your strategies more effectively. Moving up, we have the premium plan starting at $62 per month. This plan is aimed at businesses and professionals who need even higher limits and more robust features. The premium plan allows for up to 500 keyword lookups per 24 hours and the ability to track up to 700 keywords. You can analyze up to 500,000 backlink rows monthly and perform 70 site lookups per 24 hours. This plan is ideal for larger businesses or agencies that require detailed insights and extensive data to drive their SEO campaigns. The premium plan's higher limits ensure that you can perform thorough research and keep track of a wide range of keywords and backlinks. Finally, there is the agency plan starting at $116 per month. This is Mangools' most comprehensive and feature-rich plan, designed for large agencies or enterprises that need the highest limits and advanced functionalities. With the agency plan, you can perform up to 1,200 keyword lookups per 24 hours and track up to 1,500 keywords. You can analyze up to 1,200,000 backlink rows monthly and perform 150 site lookups per 24 hours. The agency plan is perfect for large-scale operations managing multiple clients and extensive SEO campaigns. You can sign up for the free account using the link in the description. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to use Mangools SEO tools. We hope you found it helpful and informative. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below and we'll be happy to help. Until next time, keep optimizing your content and improving your SEO strategy with the power of Mangools.